Gelatine Sculpt. This is a product that's out there right now with a lot of scam marketing. You may have seen something, that's why you're looking at my video. This is something that I would recommend you not buy because this resembles a lot of different products that are online that have a lot of scam marketing claiming it's going to have amazing properties, right? Weight loss like you've never seen it before. And there are hundreds, if not thousands of products just like this. A lot of them have information suggesting they come from Brazil. And so if you're looking for Gelatine Sculpt reviews for a dropper bottle, for something called Gelatine Sculpt, I'm someone who has investigated thousands of different online scams. I am not saying that Gelatine Sculpt drops are a scam. I am saying that there's scam marketing, and I could not find any sort of legitimate normal marketing anywhere. So what does that tell you? I'll let you come up with your own opinion on that. And before I continue, please hit like down below. I would appreciate it. So let's hit play on this right now. You can already see that these celebrities are showing up in the video before I hit play. No doctors, no hospitals, no celebrities or universities have ever endorsed this product in any way, shape, or form. This could come with a money-back guarantee that will not be honored because you're going through a scam funnel. It could come with an auto ship policy, meaning subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. And you don't want to pay that, of course. And a whole lot of other bad things if you go through a scam funnel, right? So let's hit play on this. I'll show you how this goes, the flow of this Gelatine Sculpt product. Gelatine Sculpt drops will not help you lose weight. This is a product that might have basic normal weight loss supplement ingredients. It will not have miracle properties, and no one famous, doctors, celebrities, or otherwise has ever endorsed it. I'm gonna hit play here, finally.
Tonight on 60 Minutes, we investigate how Rebel Wilson, Meghan Trainor, Serena Williams, and several other celebrities are reportedly losing up to 60 pounds using a new method known as the pink gelatin trick.
Let me just talk about this really quick. I paused it. So what this is the gelatin trick is non-existent. It's made up. It's a marketing term, a hook to get you to watch this entire long video of this fake 60 Minutes report. Anderson Cooper never actually talked about this. Any celebrities or famous people you see here in this video talking about this, that's a deep fake, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. That's all that is. So just know that. There is no recipe. They want you to think that, hey, we're going to reveal a recipe. Just keep watching. And if you close out this video, you'll never find it again. That's what they always want to claim. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about this. Keep watching. And they keep lying to you over and over again. Don't believe any of that stuff at all. Again, this is about Gelatine Sculpt. And my review of Gelatine Sculpt is that you should not buy this because you will not be able to figure out who's the founder, what's the person's name, man or woman, whatever. Where do they bottle it? What's the mailing address, the country, the city, the whatever, like the street address, all that. You can't find any of that. You can only find a few different little things here and there, including the scam marketing. And that's not very good, is it?
A simple recipe that costs less than $1, and that, according to specialists, activates the same GLP-1 mechanism triggered by Ozempic and Wegovy, but without injections, without side effects, and up to 3 times more potent when prepared correctly. And here is what truly shocked investigators. Women following this morning ritual are losing 15 to 24 pounds before Christmas, with no dieting, no exercise, just by performing this remarkably simple routine. Tonight, we're going to uncover the truth behind it. We will test the method live, together with Dr. Oz, the celebrity weight loss doctor who went viral after demonstrating the full recipe. But that is not all. Rebel Wilson and Meghan Trainor both claim they use this exact same trick to lose more than 60 pounds each. And at the end of the program, we will reveal the complete step-by-step recipe these celebrities follow to achieve such dramatic results. Take a look at the exclusive video Rebel Wilson sent us.
This pink gelatin is amazing. In 15 days, I lost 17 pounds, and by the end of 3 months, it was 45 pounds gone.
They keep showing Meghan Trainor photos, but that's supposedly Rebel Wilson talking, so the scammers didn't get that right. Big surprise.
And no, it wasn't those pens everyone is thinking about. It was all thanks to this pink gelatin that I made every morning. These photos you see on the screen were the result of this natural method made with gelatin ice, exactly the way Dr. Oz taught me. I just wanted to say thank you because I truly think everyone should try this before Christmas if they want to lose weight. It really works. You can lose 10 pounds in a single week. I even shared the tip with a friend of mine, and she lost 12 pounds in 1 week. She's super happy, and she doesn't even exercise or follow a diet.
The no diet, no exercise thing that she just mentioned right there, that is a classic sign of an online scam, a weight loss scam rather. And that's not surprised that they're including that here. And again, the gelatin promise, this is a marketing thing that someone, likely in Brazil, came up with to take money from a lot of different people based upon trying to sell them a product that does not do what this claims. That's what this is. And video platforms based in that country are apparently okay with this sort of thing, especially hosting these sorts of videos.
It's truly surprising to imagine that a trick costing less than $1 could have such a powerful effect, especially when compared to Ozempic and Mounjaro pens. According to specialists, when this method is done correctly, it naturally increases the body's production of GLP-1, the very same hormone used in those injections, but without the needles, without the side effects, and without needing any dieting or exercise. Dr. Oz, is that really possible?
Just like you, I'm absolutely shocked by these results. And honestly, it's astonishing to see that something so simple and so inexpensive can deliver transformations like this. Anyone can do it right at home. I've been receiving thousands of videos on TikTok and across social media. Everyday people...
Pausing for a second. Just to be clear, Dr. Mehmet Oz, Dr. Oz never endorsed Gelatine Sculpt. No one did.
Losing 10, 15, 20, even 25 pounds in just 10 days using this $1 trick.
And so what will happen is this video will go on for like an hour, maybe more than an hour, and it will eventually say, click here to buy Gelatine Sculpt with a discount, and it'll mention like Johns Hopkins and PubMed, the New England Journal of Medicine, a bunch of other stuff, but they have nothing to do with this. So why are you showing those logos? They're references. Okay, they're not at all. Anyone can just get a bunch of logos and say they're references. And so what will happen is this video, the scam marketing video, will then take you to a website to go and buy Gelatine Sculpt. And Gelatine Sculpt, from what I can tell on the bottle at least, I'm not saying it doesn't have a parent company name, but on the bottle, there's no parent company name above the product name, which is interesting. Let's just say that. And this will claim that it has a 5-star rating, 100% quality assurance, and that this is coming from Lakeland, Florida, potentially. But that probably is on the back of the bottle. It has there's a label with not a mailing address, but just a city, state, and zip. No mailing address. Isn't that very comforting? Lakeland, Florida, 33804. Phone number for Gelatine Sculpt customer support, customer service, 323-372-9581. Gelatine Sculpt. Hopefully I helped you out. This video went on a little bit long, but I hope that my video did assist you in some manner in showing you that you need to stay away from these sorts of things and go see a doctor. Always go see a doctor. Any other YouTube videos that you may have seen with people talking about how this product worked for them or is a great product, they're lying to you. They're trying to get you to click a link either in their pinned comment or description so you then go and buy it, and maybe they get affiliate commission, or maybe they're behind the scam. I don't know. The scam marketing. So whatever it is, don't believe in it. I mentioned the money back guarantee might not be honored, of course, because it's going through a scam funnel. And the fact that it could come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month, stay far away. There are thousands of online scams just like this with medicinal products where they want you to think you need to buy our product here online because Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about it. They want you to buy their products from the pharmacy in your town, but we've got the really good stuff. And all they're doing, the people who are trying to get you to give away your credit card information, they're just trying to get your money. That's all that is. There's no actual, hey, we want to really help you with a miracle product. There's no miracle product. I wish there was. Maybe one day, right? Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. And thank you so much for watching.